Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby here. That's the 6x6 pickup, and we customized with the sound system, light system. So let's see how this one running. First, all this cabin door can be opened. Let's lock it back. Right side lock back, then start running it. That's the suspension soft. So when crawling, you can see when it's tilting, light turning right, turning left. So when not driving, turning to left side holding 3 seconds, you will go to the light control, changing, off, on. Let's keep it only on. And when start driving, it will start the sound. When you're holding, not driving, wait until 10 seconds, will stop the engine sound. So 2 speed, now at low speed, at the differential, high speed, changing to low, and lock front axle. Now front it is locked, front it is turning together. Lock rear axle, rear 2 axle locking together. Now it is 6x6. Climbing. Slowly going. Let's shift into high speed, and also at the differential, let's see the high speed. Now it is high speed at the differential. So at the differential, this one also can climb it. That's fine. At the differential, climbing. Because 6x6, they are more power, pushing and going. So even at the differential, no lock, you can use this one for climbing. Now check, yeah, it's at the differential. Lock it, we will climbing again, will be more smooth. Now it is locked. Go. Climbing. More easy with 2 differential locks. So after you're holding, not operating it, the sound will go off by itself.